Hello everyone. This is going to be one assignment for the whole week for pre-calc. So what you guys are doing is looking at finding limits by using a table. I'm going to be jumping back and forth between this and Delta Math because Delta Math it's an interactive one this time, and so just being able to take a screenshot and posting it here isn't going to work. So I'm going to jump over to Delta Math, and it's saying that it wants you to find the limit as you approach 2 from the left, 2 from the right. If they're the same, then that's the limit for the value, and that would also be the function value. Now you can find the function value just by typing in the 2. Let's see what happens. Come on. It's undefined. Okay. So let's see what happens as you approach 2. As I do it from the left, and as I do it from the right, I'm going to first think of it on a number line. So here's a number line, very lame number line. There's 2. As I approach 2 from the left side, the numbers I'm going to use as I approach it, how about there's 1.5, there's 1.75, and so on, until I'm getting like to, how about 1.9, 1.99, 1.999, and so on. I'm going to approach 2, but I'm not actually going to use it. Okay, that would be approaching from the left side. You're getting closer and closer to the value of 2. As I approach from the right side, 3, 2.5, about 2.25, about 2.1, 2.01, 2.001, 2.0001. You're approaching 2 from the right. So the numbers are getting closer and closer to 2. These are also getting closer and closer to 2, but you're doing it from each side. So when I go back here, I want to start entering values. So we know what this one is. This one's going to be undefined because that's what it gets when we just enter 2. All right. Let's see what happens as we approach from the left. So 1.9. Notice it retyped the value that was there before, so I'm just going to enter another 9. And I'm going to enter another 9. And enter another 9. And so on. It looks to me that it's converging. It's getting closer and closer to the value of 3. Okay. Let's look at it from the right. I'm going to clear the table. As I approach from the right, I'm like 2.1. Oh, 2.1. How about 2 point? I'm going to insert a 0. Come on, baby. And I'm going to insert another 0. And insert another 0. And so on. Why is this jumping around so much? I don't know. To me, it looks like you're converging. You're getting closer and closer and closer to the value of 3. You're getting closer to the value of 3. If that's the left and right hand limit, and they're the same, then there you go. Let's see what we did. Yep. Cha-ching, we got it. Okay. Now I'm going to pause this to see if this is going to be the next problem it gives me is the same type of problem, then there's no point to go through it. So I'm going to look for one that's different. Hello everybody, I'm back. I found one that's different. So here goes. It's saying that you want to take the limit as you approach -1 from the left and -1 from the right. Now that's going to just be a little bit different. If you approach -1 from the left and from the right. So -2, 0. As you're approaching from the left, your numbers would be like -1.1, -1.01, -1.000001, and so on. It's as you approach -1 from the left side. As you approach from the right side, about -0.9, -0.99, -0.999, and so on. Okay, so going over to Delta Math, entering those values. So as you approach from the left, negative 1.1. Oops, wrong one again. There we go. Now I'm going to start inserting some zeros in there and see if it starts converging. Yeah, it looks like it's converging. I'm getting, oh, come on. I don't know why this is jumping around. It looks like it's converging to 1. Okay. And let's go at it from the other side. Negative 0.9. 99. Well, it's looking like it's converging, but it looks like it's converging to a different number. Yeah, to me that looks like it's getting closer and closer to the value of 2. So, is there a limit at negative 1? I would say it does not exist. Okay. Now, what is the function at negative 1? You can try typing it in. Oops, looks like it's 1. Okay, and then you'd submit the answer. So I'm going to pause and look for another one that's different. Hello, everybody. It looks like all the other problems that it has in that section are typified, are good examples of the first two that I did. So it doesn't appear to be any more. If you guys have questions, I'd love to see you. Again, if you're spending more than, I'd say half an hour doing these 15 problems, come get some help. Don't get stuck. If you get stuck on any one of them, and you just, I can't get the next one, and I can't get the next one, just stop. Don't continue to beat your head against the wall. Come on in and get some help. Miss you guys. Talk to you soon.